Thank you, everyone. Today I discuss about the hardness of water, what is scum, and how we remove the hardness of the water. Already we read about soft water and hard water. Sodium and potassium salt is not responsible for the hardness of water, but calcium salt, magnesium salt, iron salt, or zinc salt are responsible for hardness of the water. Hard water does not form lather with soap easily. The property of water which does not allow it to form lather due to the presence of some dissolved salt in it is known as hard water. Dissolved salts means they are the salts of calcium, magnesium, iron, or zinc. Now, when soap is added in that hard water, then the soap reacts with the salts dissolved in hard water and forms the insoluble salt. This insoluble salt settles down or flows into the water, and this insoluble salt is known as scum. Generally, soap contains sodium and potassium ion. That means soap is the sodium or potassium salt of some organic acid. Say like that. This is a soap. It is a sodium and it is known as the sodium soap. If in place of sodium it is the potassium, then it is known as the potassium soap. The soap contains sodium or potassium ion, and hard water contains calcium ion or magnesium ion or iron ion or zinc ion. When soap comes contact with hard water, then this sodium ion is replaced by calcium ion or magnesium ion or zinc ion or iron ion and forms calcium or magnesium or iron or zinc salt of organic acid. Here the calcium salt of organic acid. This salt is insoluble in water and gets precipitated. When the magnesium ion comes contact with organic salt of sodium, that means soap, then the magnesium replaces sodium and forms the magnesium salt of organic acid, and also it is insoluble in water and gets deposited under water, and the sodium ion goes out to the water. That means water now reached in sodium or potassium ion or potassium salt, which is not responsible for the hardness of water. So water becomes soft, and the calcium ion and magnesium ion or zinc ion or the iron ion gets separated from water in the form of scum. Now, how you remove the hardness of water? First of all, I discuss about removal of temporary hardness. Temporary hardness is a cause for the presence of bicarbonate salt of calcium and magnesium, and they remains in water in dissolved form because they are dissolved in water. When water is boiled, then this bicarbonate salt also heated, and this bicarbonate salt is decomposed into calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide. If it is a magnesium bicarbonate, then it will be magnesium carbonate bicarbonate is decomposed into magnesium carbonate and carbon dioxide. This carbonate salt, say it will be calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, they are insoluble in water, so they will be settled down when water is cooled. Temporary hard water contains bicarbonate salt of calcium and magnesium or iron or zinc, and they are insoluble in water. When temporary hard water is boiled, then the bicarbonate salts are decomposed to insoluble carbonate. These insoluble carbonate are settled down when water is cooled and temporary hardness is removed. So it is the way how we remove the temporary hardness of water. But to remove the permanent hardness of water, we take another procedure which is not easy to remove the hardness of water. Thank you.